Welcome everyone, my name is Marlene, the creator behind Tone's Caribbean Body, a project that was started from the onset of COVID-19, where I simply share with you holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. Hey everybody, it's Friday and yeah, we are here with you, our fan base, sharing what we call it our first unboxing of Mathani's pretty much most asked for request this week, a waffle maker. For those of you who are new to our channel, our YouTube channel on Tone's Caribbean Body, this is Mathani. He's been with me pretty much all his life, 10 plus years. And he's no stranger to the camera. Whenever I have a session going on, he's always in the mix. Last year we did over 200 sessions on Facebook live sessions, and he was in quite a few of them. So when he suggested this unboxing session, I jumped at it because he loves the camera. So I just wanted to get him in to what I'm doing on YouTube. Right, so it's Friday, guys, start of what we call our self-care weekend. We've been working non-stop all week between schoolwork and business, and we usually take the weekends to just tone things down a bit. And this is one of the holistic solutions that I usually suggest for perfect or for good health, because we can't be working all the time, right? We need to strike some balance and take some time for ourselves in the midst of working, right? You can't work all the time. Yes, so just to get into the unboxing of our, what is it, Mathani?
A waffle maker!
And not just any waffle maker, it's a Proctor Silex brand. It's a very popular brand. We have a couple appliances in this brand. So I know this device, this appliance is going to be just as reliable. But before we get into that, I'm just gonna tell you where we got it. At Dominion Appliances and Gift Shop. Dominion Appliances and Gift Shop Limited, located right here in Tobago. For those of you who don't know where we are in the Caribbean part of Trinidad and Tobago, which is the country. We are the island of Tobago, and that is where Dominion Appliances and Gift Shop is located. And we tried one other appliance store, and they did not have the kind of waffle maker that Mathani wanted. He was very specific. There is one thing about this child, he knows what he wants. And when he realized that first place did not have what he wanted, he said, "Mommy, let's try this other place." And lo and behold, when we got there, it was the last one on the shelf. And they did not even, they wanted to disassemble. They wanted to take it apart. And so that it could fit into the box. I told them, listen, I don't have the headspace this weekend to try to figure out how to put this thing together. So they just put it in the box. Right, but if you guys are in Tobago and you want to check out Dominion Appliances and Gift Shop Limited, please do so. Very, very spacious location. The staff there is super duper lovely, very helpful. The space very kind. The space is very clean, very serene.
Very happy. The customers are.
They're very happy. They make customers very happy and welcome. So you guys should go check them out. They pretty much have. I was surprised at the range of things that they have. I've never been there before. This is my first time, but I'm not going to make it my last time. We're going to be going back there, right? So it cost us, this waffle maker. Mathani has had waffles on his mind of late, since he overheard me talking to a client about a new product coming out. I'm not going to reveal what it is. The waffles. No one has to know, right? But he's been wanting waffles since, and in order to make waffles, we need a waffle maker. So he put his money where his mouth is, and he bought himself a waffle maker.
What?
Right? Is it your first purchase at our house? Your first purchase? Is it? His first appliance purchase, guys. So you know my future is bright, right? Yes, so it cost us cost Mathani $399 TT dollars, which is about 50 US dollars, right? And I think that's a really affordable price for something, for a brand that's so reliable. So I'm just going to go through the unboxing. Yeah, so it comes of course in a very durable box in the event that if something does go wrong with the appliance, I can easily put it back in the box and take it back to Dominion Appliance. And of course having the receipt on hand will come in handy, right? So I'm gonna hold on to this. Not that I expect something to happen, but you never know, right? So this is how I got, right? So there's a little tray thingy that I'm assuming the waffle maker will rest on, right? So I'm just gonna put that there. Mathani, you wanna help me out? You can't just be looking all pretty on camera.
So
I need some help.
Yeah. So this is a charging port where you can plug it in, and yeah, this is the.
He's saying charging port. He's so used to devices, guys. He's saying charging port. Guys, it's a cord. We know it as a cord, right? That you plug into an outlet for electricity. Okay, Mathani, hold on. Let me go through orderly, right? He wants to take over my session again, guys. For those of you who tuned into live at 5, you should know he's always trying to take over my session. By the way, he has his own YouTube channel, Mayo Mazy. So go check it out on YouTube, and I will also put the link down below in the description. He's asking for people to subscribe to his channel. Yeah, he's an up and coming YouTuber, now trying to find content. But I've told him, yeah, stay in school and focus on his schoolwork, right? So guys, so now I took it out of the box. This is how it was in the store, and they were gonna unassemble. Oh my gosh, guys, my English is failing me, right?
I know it. I think
they were gonna take it apart, right? To put it back in the box, as I said before. But I told them I'm gonna take it just as it is, right? But as you can see, this is actually my first waffle maker. I've never bothered to look at one before, never even entertained the thought of getting a waffle maker. So this is very interesting. It will be a learning experience for both Mathani and I, right? So if you see here, it swivels, yeah.
No, that's how it's supposed to be.
Right, it's supposed to be like that apparently, right? So there, okay Mathani, hold on. Right, so there's the power button here in red, and the, what is it? The ready button, right? So when you plug it in, right, I am certain that the light will come on, and when it's ready for the mixture to pour in, yes Mathani, right, then the ready light will come on. And just to figure out how to open it.
Yeah, is this
oh gosh.
Hey.
Guys, I'm gonna have to learn this thing. Right, so Mathani figured it out. So it's like this. Yeah, it locks, and to open is just a matter of lifting. Yes, so if you've ever used a waffle maker before, link us up in the comments, let us know, so that we can get some lessons from you, right? So pour the mixture here, and then close it down, and I guess when it's ready, flip it, right? Or it flips.
Very funny.
It flips, right? Oh, and it has a ready button at the bottom. Yes, so this is super cool, right? So guys, I am going to, Mathani and I are going to have so much fun using this
waffle maker.
The waffle maker. He's asking for waffles tomorrow. So obviously once we make waffles, it's going to be a super duper healthy recipe. We are going to share it with you guys, the recipe that is. You can't have the waffles unless you live at our house. Yeah, so we're going to share the recipe and the video. And of course, you know, that's how we do it. And let you know how it turned out. And if you're interested in getting your own waffle maker, head on down to Dominion
Appliances
and Gift Shop. Yes, located in
Tobago,
Canby,
Tobago.
Alright, so bye for now. We'll see you next time. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.
And to my next channel.
And to Mathani's Mazy channel. And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye for now.